How did you come back and take this?
Fight. Fight. Until it's over, you fight. The tennis now where you fight. You run. Every ball have to go back over the net. That's what we did. I mean, the second set we were down 4-1. We one got 1-6-4. We're up in the breaker. And the lead slip. I don't even know. We'll fight. We'll come out victorious. If we're lost, we'll shake the opponents and say good game and be encouraged the same way. But we got the trophy.
We're actually leading 4-1, and we just got nervous. Even though we're winning, we didn't want to be too boastful of ourselves. We just wanted to stay calm. So I guess we were just too calm, and then it led to us like losing the set. But we were losing like 4-1 in the tiebreaker. We fought back. Got 3 match points. Could have put them away. But it's tough luck, I guess.
Why did you decide to do a doubles tournament?
Well, I decided to do a doubles tournament and stay interested because there's no doubles playing in Jamaica. Even at Davis Cup, the guys can't play doubles. I tried to include the juniors, but school, so it didn't work out. But it's just the idea just running in my head.
How did things go for this tournament?
Oh man, it's beautiful, beautiful, smooth.
What's the feedback you've been getting from the people here who will be entered?
Please have another one soon.
All right, so when do you plan to have the next one?
Well, actually, one of the players said, Chicken, you gotta have another one. I said, you'll sponsor it because you have a company. I said, sure, I'll sponsor it. So soon he's traveling now, so soon as he get back, we'll talk about it.